Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan. Oh, I didn't say that right. Hi, I didn't say that right either. Hi, I'm Ethan. I don't know what's going on. Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you. Well, not showing you. I'm going to be making part 2 of how to make a password generator in Scratch. Last time we were left off with this kind of annoying password generator that you can change the length, of course. That's a stupidly long password. But yeah, so we left off with this password generator right here. So as you can see, that's a very, 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 very long password. Alright, so yeah, last time we were left off with this password generator right here, which generated pretty good passwords actually. They were really hard to crack, as you can see. Like seriously, how like you wouldn't even guess what this password is. Like even has a fun face at the end. Nice. Unda. Okay. Anyway, now this is a great password, and if you use this password to lock your computer, it's great, unless you leave the password written down somewhere, because this password is insanely hard to remember. So you could change the length, but that does come out with a cost. With the cost of having a less strong password. Like if you do a 5-length password, then it's not great. Like the passwords are better than just typing QWERTY, but they aren't great. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a password generator that is much better than what you see right here. Alright, so let's get right into it. I'm just trying to figure out if I should create a new project or should I just use the password generator that I have here. I feel like I should just make a new password generator, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy, so let's just go ahead and just duplicate this project. So save as copy. So this copy would be called v 1.0 copy, so that's why I put the v 1.0. So I'm just going to put v 2.0. Because that's the beauty of putting V's in front of behind all your names. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of this piece of script right here because it's basically useless now. And we can actually get rid of the length variable too. And we're going to just go ahead and rename this characters list. We're going to call it words. Now, if you don't know this, if you have a password that has 4 words connected to each other, so like apple, banana, peach, pear, right? That password, actually, let's see how good that password is. Let's see. Amazingly great. I don't know why. And they're even better if you separate them with dashes. Peach dash pear. So this is the type of password that we're going to be making today. 4 words joined together like this. And we're just going to go ahead and delete all of the words list. Yeah, I know, right? All that time I spent yesterday, or a few minutes ago, because I'm recording this at the same time. You're on to me now. That was all wasted? No, actually, well, yes, kind of, but it's all for the best, because these passwords are much better than the passwords that I showed last week, or a few minutes ago, if I'm talking about me. Anyway, I know that probably didn't make sense. Let me just grab some water, because I can. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a bunch of random words. Okay, so I'm going to have to actually manually type out random words. So this is your choice. You can go ahead and type out random words, or you can just look at my random word list. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and type out random words. But I'm just going to do no capitals. If you want to do capitals, that's fine. Actually, let's go into another time lapse of me typing out random words. Okay, that's enough, I think. 123 words. Perfect. All right. So now we have 123 words in this list. Okay, so we're going to be using this list to generate a random password. So let's go to events, drag a when green flag clicked. We're going to go ahead and actually we're going to create 4 new variables. And actually we can just create a new you know what? Since we don't need the length variable anymore, we're going to rename it and call it word. This is the current word that we are adding to our list of words. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab a repeat 4. And I'm going to go ahead and pick a random word from all of these. Set word to item, pick random, 1 to length of words. Remember we did this last time? Of words. This picks a random word out of all of these words. So staple, thought, mechanical, and snack, 2. A snack, again. What are the chances? Run, mango, donkey, mango again? Why are there so many mangoes? Scratch, horse, thin, water. Okay, great. So we're just going to go ahead and repeat 4, set word to whatever this is. So if we show the word variable, why is this for the sprite only? What? Huh? That doesn't make any sense. Anyway, if we just run that, why am I setting the password? This is strange because I don't have any other things running. Let me just go ahead and save export this words.txt, and I'm actually going to go ahead and copy the title. I'm going to go ahead and go to my stuff, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete this project because it's acting up like that, and I'm going to create a new project with the name of I guess whatever I just copied. Yeah, password generator v2.0. And I'm going to go ahead and delete sprite 1. Sorry, sprite 1. Or cat, I guess. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint the backdrop. Again, I'm going to paint it a nice blue color, like this. And, okay, so now we're going to go ahead and create a new list. Call it password, right? We're just redoing everything. Password and words, right? So inside this words, I'm just going to go ahead and import all the words list wherever it is. No, not characters, words. Okay. There we go. Nice. So now we have all our words back. And again, now let's go to variables. Delete the my variable. Create a new variable called word. And we're also going to create a new variable called password. All right. So now we have all our lists again, and all our variables. And let's redo all our scripts. So when green flag clicked, I'm gonna go ahead and set word to. Let's go ahead and grab a repeat loop, repeat 4. Set word to length of words. Length of words, and then set word to length of words. So pick random 1 to length of words, right? Item, pick random 1 to length of words of the words list. Now that might be confusing, but let's just run that, and we get a random word every time. So nice. So I'm actually going to add more words to this list later, but for now we have a nice word generator, random word generator. Nice. And it doesn't seem like it seems like it's just repeating the same words over and over because, like, yeah, anyway, now what we can do is we can go ahead and set password to, and actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new variable. I'm going to call it I, and this I variable is going to, first we're going to set it to, we're going to go ahead and actually set this I variable to this pick random 1 to length of words. And then we're just going to go ahead and put that I inside there. So item I of words. And then I is set to pick random 1 to length of words. Now that should work just the same as before. Only problem, oh no, never mind. Okay. So yeah, so now we have an I. What we're going to do is, this I is going to be very useful to us, I think, because I'm only doing this on one take, remember? So we're going to go ahead and set password to this word, this, the word, right? We're going to set it to join. We're going to need this join. We're going to set it to password, join word. So if we do this now, and at the very beginning, let's go ahead and set password. Let's go ahead and set password to blank, right? So if we do that, we have a password, thin sharp hippo show. Sure. Code lab back, I don't know what that is. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and duplicate this, and instead of doing it like this, we're just going to go ahead and join it with a dash, like that, and that should work. And hippo us mango. Nice. Project, okay, I'm going to have to get rid of that last character right there. How do I do that? So instead of doing the repeat loop, let's just go ahead and set repeat 3, and then we're going to go ahead and set and just do this one more time. So, but get rid of that dash thing. Duplicate that, put that up here, put this up here. Yeah, so now we can just do that. Yeah, length it, think front back. Oh wow, front back. What are the chances? Staple word motion length. Length hippo eat lab. Donkey underwear sharp food. Huh. Front ass axe sprite chair. Sure. Now, in the extremely unlikely occurrence that, let's see if I can get it to happen. Oh, what? Okay, that is super lucky. Apple secret. Now, that's not a very secure password, is it? What are the chances? I don't get any, and then I get secret. What was it? Apple secret. Apple secret is not a very secure password because there are repeating words. So, but if we run that again, 7 and has tilde, how good is this password? Extremely good, right? So if you don't have repeating words, the password's better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that there are no repeating words. I would pick that word, and then I would actually delete that item from the list so that it can never be picked again. Now you might be saying, but Ethan, the list is going to slowly deteriorate, and I'm going to have to keep adding the words. Now, yes, that is true, but I'm just going to go ahead and after I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and add each of those items back into the list at the very end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and create a new, actually I'm going to create 4 variables. I'm going to call the first one word 1. Okay. Actually, do I need to do that? Yes, I do. There's probably a more efficient way, but I'm going to call the next one word 2. I think you're getting it. Word 2. That one has a weird character at the end. Let me just get rid of that because that's really annoying, and I like perfecting everything. Word 3, and finally word 4. All right, so now we have 4 words, four password words, and what you can do is actually we can just go ahead and how am I going to do this? We're going to have to keep track of another variable. We're going to call it J, since I is already taken. So I'm going to go ahead and set J to 1. And I'm going to change J by 1 at the very end. So change J by 1. Alright, so that should be fine. J is always 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if, we're going to grab an if statement, if, and then grab an equals, J is equal to 1, and this is really annoying, but if j is equal to 1, I'm going to go ahead and set we're going to go ahead and set word1 to word. Yes. And if not, we're just going to duplicate this. If j is equal to 2, then I'm going to set word2 to word, and so on. I think you're getting the point. J is equal to 3, and j is equal to 4, word 3, and word 4. Now, this is pretty inefficient, but that's the only way I can think about doing it, unless I use a list, which is more complicated, so I'm not going to be doing that. So I'm going to actually go ahead and check this. Let's see. Oh, word 1 did not get set. Oh, okay. Now I have to move this above the j, change j by 1. That should fix it. Okay. So word 1 is code, word 2 is what, word 3 is refrigerator, and word 4 is run, but that's not correct because the last word is girl. Oh, I just have to put this at the very end there. Okay, that should fix it. Yeah, okay. So the password is cat block code calculator. Word 1 is cat, word 2 is block, word 3 is code, word 4 is calculator. Okay, so that should fix that. But you might notice that if we run it enough times, we will still get a duplicate because we haven't fixed that yet. Let's see if I can do it. 10 beat cube heart, insert to horse, test back, scratch. Aha! Test back, scratch back. Now, test back, scratch back. That's a weird password. Yeah, so as you can see, word 2 and word 4 are matching. So what I can do is I can go ahead and, after the iteration is over, at the very end here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete, after we check that, we're going to go ahead and delete item I of password. Not password, sorry. Words. So if we do that, since there are 4 words here, what we're going to do is, what's going to happen is those words will be deleted. So we won't be actually able to find these words inside the list. So if we click the green flag, I wouldn't recommend doing this on yours, by the way, if you want to keep your words. But if I do that, as you can see, the length of the words list went down by 3. And actually, I'm going to have to do it one more time down here, like that. Oh, I guess, okay, no, those aren't the same words. Okay, they look like the same words. Yeah, as you can see, the length of the words list is going down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab I'm going to go ahead and, at the very end, we're going to go ahead and add, no, not delete, add word 1 to words, and then we're just going to go ahead and add word 2 to words, and then word 3, again, word 3 to words, and word 4 to words. Now this should not delete any of the words, but you will never, ever get a repeating word because because those items are deleted once you use them up, so you can't actually use them again. So as you can see, these words, these four words here, they were added to the end of this list. Wait. Okay. So where's the off word? Where's the word off? Off. Oh, okay. The last word, you don't need to do this. You don't have to set word 4 to word, and we don't need that either because we already done the list, right? So boy, round, banana, mango. And let's just get rid of this delete I of words. Yeah. Us for run not. Yeah, us for run was added to the list. And that's, as you can see, all the list, as you can see, the length does not change after we generate a password. Now, the last thing we have to do is just make it copyable. So I'm just going to go ahead and at the very beginning here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of password. And then at the very end, we're going to add password to password. And then we're going to, well, you don't have to do this. I'm just going to go ahead and add triple click what you see above and copy it. As above, okay, above what? What you see above and copy it. Now this should be working fine. So let me just hide the words list, and let me just hide all these. Oops, let me just hide all these, and let's just make this password list bigger. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so that's a big password list. And let's just run it. Aha! There we go. Those are our 4 words. Run, sharp, direction, us. And now if I run it, you will never get a repeating word, which is nice. Right there in food. That should have been right in their food, but that's fine. I guess that's a good password too. Thin donkey share heart, front motion sand chess. Nope. Okay, great. So no repeating words, which is nice. So that is a wrap. One sec, let me just see how strong this password is. If it ever loads. Okay, it's loading. Let's just wait for it. Oh, my battery's at 33%, so let me just go and charge that after this video is over. But this password is much better. As you can see, this is a great password. Yeah, so there we go. So now we have a great password generator to use. Now, yeah, so by the way, that comic that you saw at the beginning there, that is an XKCD comic. That is just a great comic for, well, it's just for fun. Yeah, so if you want to see that, the link to that comic is down in the description. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, share this channel with others. Also, I have a Discord. I finally made a Discord. I also announced this in the last video, but in case you didn't hear, I do have a Discord. The link is on the screen right now, and it's also in the description below. So go ahead and check that out if you want help or if you want to share fun stuff. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you at howtouswithethan.com, and see you next time.